I can't, not supposed to be doing no attitude.
I don't know what your attitude is, but you're on video. Got your attitude
Lovers,
on video.
lovers quarrel going on here. Someone's hangry. All right. Hey, welcome to HMR. So the trunk pan is done. Now it's on to the lower quarters, and I didn't get much of a response on who makes lower quarter patch panels, so that leaves me, myself, and I. And I'm trying to figure that out. The first piece I'm gonna make is gonna be the piece that, if you don't even see that, a little wobbly there, but this piece actually comes down, ties into the quarter, and then ties into the actual inside of the trunk pan, which that piece I'm gonna fix also. So I'm trying to debate if I think I'm just gonna cut this piece off here, cut it out, leaving this and leaving this, even though it's a little rusty, and then I can come back and make my bend here, make it as long as I need, and make another piece. Actually, what I can do is make this piece that I make it longer, have it stick down, and then I can trim it off and fill it in. So, one thing I wanted to say on these old cars, 50s cars, I don't know how good the camera would be, but you got to make sure that you use righty-tighty on the right side and don't use righty-tighty, lefty-loosey on the left side, because it's got reverse threads. So on the left side of the car, it's got left-handed threads. On the right side car, it's got right-handed threads. So if you go on to the driver's side and you want to remove the lug nut, it's going to tighten it up and you're going to snap the stud right off it. So be careful with that. I'm just getting started on this. So I think what we'll do is, you know me, we got to hit the pause, and I'll come back, show you what I've done, what I've cut out, and how we're going to tack it in. And then I'll show you the underneath. Well, you can, I don't know if you can see it from here. Oh, here, I can grab the camera from you. I'll give you a little shot what it kind of looks like, just so you know what I'm up against. So this is the underside of that lower quarter, and that's the piece that I'm going to end up cutting out and making along with the inside quarter. And I have that inside quarter piece, I just don't have this outer piece right here, as you can see. So this is the worst side. The driver's side is, I won't say good, but it is decent. So with that being said, I've got lots of extra sheet metal because I didn't use all that trunk pan stuff. I got a whole box of it over here. We'll figure something out. I mean, I got this piece here. I got some of this. Actually, this looks like a beautiful piece to start using. So that being said, let's we're going to put it on pause, and I'll come back and we'll have this piece, I'll say, roughed in, and we'll go from there. Go. Hey, all right. So totally different plan as usual. If you come in here, take a look. I took this piece apart. Can you see these two pieces here? Yeah, give me a nod. Yeah, okay. So this is the quarter panel. This is part of the quarter panel. This was the curve that goes in. This is, I'm gonna call it the cap on the inner rocker. And these two were like that. So here's the little hook for the fender skirt. And this was on the back side on this little piece. So I know I'm rambling a little bit, but I just want to let you know. So I started to make this piece right here, like that, kind of progressing on that. Then I stopped because the inner rocker has got to be 4.5 inches. It's 4.5 inches from the bottom of the floor pan to the bottom of the quarter panel. And that 4.5 travels all the way out to the end. So, of course, the inner rocker is rotted. There's nothing there, it's just open airspace. So I've tacked in, I don't know if camera person can get in there, but just to kind of start, I've just tacked in this piece right here. so I can make this cap, finish this off. Then I'm going to replace the lower inner rocker, and that's going to be done pieces at a time, so to speak. I'm going to run about, what is that, 2.5 feet. I'm going to run it 2.5 feet, do a butt weld on it into the good portion of the inner rocker. Then the lower quarter, when that cut that out, that's going to get bent around underneath the inner rocker, and that at the point of contact, that'll be tacked together just like it was from the factory. So a little more complex than I thought it was going to be, just because there's a few angles. But once I get the new, I'll call it the new fender skirt plate, we'll call this the fender skirt plate. Once we get that tacked in there, tacked into the fresh piece that I just put in for the inner rocker, then at that point in time, I can finish the inner rocker. Once that's done, I will cut the quarter panel, the rotten out of the quarter panel, and proceed to make that panel. And then if you want to come around, here's the big question. And I reached out to a good friend of mine who has a 59, and I asked him to take a few measurements, because if you look at this portion right here, this is the end of the quarter, and there's nothing there. So it appears that they had another filler panel between the quarter, the inner rocker. Instead of butting it all together nice and tight, they had a filler piece. So I've got him giving me a few measurements off his 59 to give me a little guidance. So with that being said, we're making progress. It's never as fast as I want it, but I can already envision it in my head that how this is going to go. The driver's side is just the rear section of the inner rocker is a little rotted, and I can replace that. That'll go pretty quick. But this side is not good. I'm sure there's a lot worse, but oh, watch out for the vise. So that being said, I'm going to continue to work on the fender skirt plate / cap, and when I get that done, I'm just going to tack that in there, and then I'll work on getting the inner rocker completely done. And then hopefully, not hopefully, I always say that, but what I really want to do is just show you once I cut this out, I'll show you what I got going on. And I can finish, once I cut this out and have access to the inner rocker. Matter of fact, I just thinking about it, before I do the inner rocker, once I get the cap on and tacked in, not completely welded, but just tacked in, I'll cut the lower quarter out, all that rust, and then do the inner rocker, because I'll have easy access to it. So there you go. See, always thinking. But again, between now and the next video, I could change my mind. All right, so remember, it's work in progress. There's always changes. But what I wanted to point out, let you guys know, got the skirt plate tacked in. I got the actual, I don't know what you want to call that, latch, not the latch mechanism, but where the fender skirt goes. And the reason why I did that is I wanted to make sure that everything would line up with the skirt. And I'm glad I did, because the plate that I tacked in, which you just saw, was actually going inside the fender skirt. So I took it back out, readjusted it, tacked it back in, and if everything goes okay, I know it might not seem like a lot of progress, but in my book, it is. There we go. And the fit is good. We're going to have, I cut this lower quarter out, and then this will finish this side, and I'll add the extra piece to match what we took off, which was, remember the last video that I'm putting all these together. Remember, this piece is part of the quarter that I cut off, so that's quarter. This was the cap that's part of the inner rocker, and these two pieces were spot welded together at the factory like that. So that's this next piece. This piece right here is what I'm going to create next, and then that'll be done, and then I'll cut the lower quarter off, put in the inner rocker, and then at that time make my lower quarter. So appreciate that. I do want to give a shout out, and I got this as a Christmas gift. If any of you guys have these, or if you don't, I would seriously consider getting one. I'm going to pronounce it as Pokeseed, P-O-K-I-S-E-E-D, Pro 1500. Man, this is some headlight. Not only it's got nice and bright, but you can adjust it. So we're underneath the car. It's worked really well, and I'm glad I got that as a Christmas gift that I thought I lost, but it was in the trunk of the 56 when we took it on Christmas Day. So anyways, just a quick update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I appreciate you. Till next time.